Race with time. Transform fleeting seconds into shining milestones. Who are called ever ready? What is the meaning of being ever ready? Those who are ever ready always invoke the time. The one who is ever ready, he also stays prepared while invoking the time. Now, you must prepare yourself to face the end time, mustn't you? If the time comes, you will make only 50% of the attainments. What will be the attainment of becoming equal? Ever ready means the one who makes himself complete with all the virtues forever for the end time. You definitely have to become complete, don't you? It is also praised, complete with all the virtues, complete with 16 celestial degrees. So, ever ready means the one who has reached the complete stage. Avyakt Vani dated 24th June 1972, page 326, end.
एवर रेडी का अर्थ है मन वचन कर्म। संबंध संपर्क में समय का आर्डर हो अचानक तो एवर रेडी, और अचानक ही होना है।
Ever ready means that if the time suddenly gives you an order, then in your thoughts, words, deeds, relationships and connections, you have to become ever ready. And it will of course happen suddenly.
जैसे अपनी दादी को देखा।
For instance, you saw your dadi.
अचानक एवर रेडी।
She became ever ready in suddenly.
हर स्वभाव में हर कार्य में इजी रहे।
She was easy in her nature, in every way, and was easy in every task.
संपर्क में इजी, स्वभाव में इजी, सेवा में इजी, संतुष्ट करने में इजी और संतुष्ट रहने में इजी।
She was easy in connection, easy in her nature, easy in service, easy in making everyone content, and easy in remaining content.
इसलिए बाप दादा समय की समीपता का बार बार इशारा दे रहा है।
That is why Bap Dada is repeatedly giving you the signal of the closeness of time.
अभी स्वपुरुषार्थ का समय बहुत थोड़ा है।
The time for making the effort for the self is very short now.
इसलिए अपने जमा के खाते को चेक करो।
Therefore, check your account of accumulation.
महावीर की और महारथी की पहचान तो होगी ना?
There will no doubt be some identification of a Mahavir and a Maharathi, won't there?
महावीर कौन है?
Who are Mahavir?
महावीर वो है जो हर समय तैयार रहे।
The one who is always ready is a Mahavir.
क्या? माया रावण आओ और हम तुमसे लड़ाई लड़ें और विजयी बने।
What? They will say, Maya Ravan, come, we will fight against you and become victorious.
क्या? एवर रेडी रहे लड़ाई लड़ने के लिए और विजयी बनने के लिए। डरने का तो नाम ही निशान नहीं।
What? They should be ever ready to fight the war and become victorious. There shouldn't be any trace of fear.
और महारथी?
And what about Maharathi?
कुछ डर तो रहेगा।
They will certainly have fear to some or the other extent.
Whether you get Srimad or a direction, you should stabilize in that stage in a second. You shouldn't take even a second more. This is what is called being ever ready. Avyakt Vani dated 4th May 1973, page 52, beginning.
एवर रेडी अर्थात कोई भी वरदान या सम्मान उसका संकल्प किया और स्वरूप बना।
Ever ready means to become the embodiment of any boon or self-respect as soon as you think of it.
इसलिए बाप दादा आज इस बात पर अटेंशन दिला रहे हैं।
This is why today Bap Dada is drawing your attention to this.
कि किसी भी वरदान को फलीभूत कर वरदान या सम्मान के स्वरूप के अनुभवी बन सकते हो।
You can make any boon fruitful and become experienced in the form of that boon or self-respect.
और ऐसा बनना ही पड़ेगा।
In addition, you will definitely have to become that.
कोशिश कर रहा हूँ।
You will say, I am trying.
अगर कोशिश करनी भी है तो अभी से करो।
Even if you have to try that from now.
क्योंकि समय बहुत कम रह गया है।
Because there is very little time left.
बहुत समय का अभ्यास समय पर मदद देगा।
A long-term practice will help on time.
पुरुषार्थी नहीं बनो,
Don't be a Purusharthi,
अनुभवी।
but be experienced.
क्योंकि अनुभव की अथॉरिटी आप सबको ऑलमाइटी अथॉरिटी ने दी हुई है।
Because the Almighty Authority has given all of you the authority of experience.
अब ऐसे एवर रेडी बनो जो हर संकल्प, हर सेकंड, हर श्वास जो बीते वह वाह वाह हो।
Now become ever ready to such an extent that with every thought, every second and every breath that passes, you say Vah Vah.
वाई ना हो,
Not why,
वाह वाह हो।
but Vah Vah.
अभी कोई समय वाह वाह होता है तो कोई समय वाह के बजाय भाई हो जाता है, ऐसा क्यों हुआ?
Now you say Vah Vah sometimes, and at other times why instead of Vah. You ask, why did that happen?
कोई समय बिंदी लगाते हैं, कोई समय क्वेश्चन मार्क और आश्चर्य मार्क भी लग जाता है।
Sometimes you put a full stop, but sometimes you put a question mark and even an exclamation mark at some other time.
आप सबका मन भी कहे वाह,
Let the mind of all of you also say Vah.
और जिसके भी संबंध संपर्क में आते हो, चाहे ब्राह्मणों के, चाहे सेवा करने वालों के, सबके मुख से क्या निकले? वाह वाह, वाह ड्रामा, वाह बाबा और वाह बाबा के बच्चे।
And all those in whose relationship and connection you come, whether of the Brahmins or those who serve, what should come out of everyone's mouth? Vah Vah, Vah drama, Vah Baba and Vah Baba's children.
Key factors to bear in mind for being ever ready. To be ever ready now, check yourself from now onwards. Just like you are doing the revision course of the entire knowledge, similarly, try revising the chart of your attainments and Purusharth from the beginning. Avyakt Vani dated 21st July 1973, page 139, middle.
एवर रेडी बनने के लिए तीव्र गति का पुरुषार्थ, बेहद की वैराग्य व्यक्ति का दिल से वैराग।
To become ever ready, intense Purusharth and the attitude of unlimited detachment from the heart are required.
आज अमृतवल में आया, अंदर बार एवर रेडी रहना है। अंदर बार एवर रेडी रहना है। अंदर से संकल्पों में वृद्धि नहीं होनी चाहिए।
Student, it was mentioned in today's Avyakt Vani that we should be ever ready internally as well as externally. Baba, yes, there shouldn't be increment of thoughts within.
संकल्प एकाग्र होना चाहिए, एकाग्रता का, या अनेक प्रकार के संकल्प चलें।
Should the thoughts be concentrated or should various kinds of thoughts arise? Students reply,
और बाहर हैं कर्मेंद्रियां।
yes, and the Karmendriya are external.
कर्मेंद्रियों से जो कर्म करें वो एक के प्रति कर्म करें या अनेकों के प्रति कर्म करें।
Should we perform actions through the Karmendriya for the one or for many?
है? एक के प्रति करें, ये अंदर और बाहर हो गया।
We should perform them for the one. It is called becoming ever ready internally as well as externally.
You are certainly ever ready for physical service. It is because wherever you get an invitation through the different means of service, you go there. However, whatever thought you wish to have even in the mind, are you always ever ready for that too? To instantly do whatever you think, that is called being ever ready. You should be ever ready through the mind too. You should be ever ready for transforming sanskars as well as maintaining spiritual relation and contact. So, are you so ever ready, or do you take time? Do you take time in removing sanskars or harmonizing them? Become ever ready for this too. Avyakt Vani dated 27th October 1981, page 83, beginning.
क्योंकि समय प्रकृति द्वारा अपनी चैलेंज कर रहा है.
It is because time is challenging you through nature now.
ये समय की समीपता को कॉमन बात नहीं समझो.
Don't consider the closeness of time to be something common.
अचानक और एवर रेडी शब्द को अपने कर्मयोगी जीवन में हर समय स्मृति में लाओ.
In your Karma Yogi life, stay aware of the words suddenly and ever ready at every moment.
अपने शांति की शक्ति का स्वयं प्रति भिन्न भिन्न रूप में प्रयोग करो.
Experiment the power of silence on yourself in different ways.
जैसे साइंस अपना नया नया प्रयोग करती रहती है.
Just as science continues to have many new experiments.
जितना स्व के प्रति प्रयोग करते हो, प्रयोग करने की प्रैक्टिस करते रहेंगे, उतना ही औरों के प्रति भी शांति की शक्ति का प्रयोग होता रहेगा.
The more you practice experimenting on the self, the more you continue to practice it, the more you will continue to experiment on others with the power of silence.
आज विशेष अपने शक्तियों की सकाश चारों ओर फैलाओ.
Today, especially spread the light that is Sakash of your powers everywhere.
जब आपकी प्रकृति सूर्य की शक्ति, सूर्य की किरणें अपना कार्य कितने रूप में कर रही है.
When your nature, the power of the sun and the sun rays are carrying out their work in so many ways.
पानी बरसाता भी है, पानी को सुखाता भी है.
The clouds shower rain and the sun dries it up.
दिन से रात, रात में दिन करके दिखाता है.
It changes day into night and night into day.
तो क्या आप अपने शक्तियों की सकाश वायुमंडल में नहीं फैला सकते?
So, can't you spread the rays of your powers in the atmosphere?
आत्माओं को अपनी शक्तियों को सकाश से दुख अशांति से नहीं छुड़ा सकते हो क्या?
With the rays of your power, can't you liberate souls from their sorrow and restlessness?
ज्ञान स्वरूप स्वरूप को इमर्ज करो.
Bring forth your embodiment of the sun of knowledge.
ज्ञान सूर्य की किरणें फैलाओ, सकाश फैलाओ.
Spread the rays of the sun of knowledge.
जैसे स्थापना के आदिकाल में बाप दादा की तरफ से अनेक आत्माओं को सुख शांति का सकाश मिलने का घर बैठे अनुभव हुआ.
Just in the beginning of establishment, many souls experienced receiving the rays of happiness and peace from Bap Dada while sitting home.
संकल्प मिलता गया, जाओ.
They received the thought, go there.
ऐसे अब आप मास्टर ज्ञान सूर्य बच्चों द्वारा सुख शांति की लहर फैलाने की अनुभूति होनी चाहिए.
In the same way, now they should experience the waves of happiness and peace being spread through you children, the master son of knowledge.
लेकिन वो अनुभूति तब होगी
However, they will have that experience when
इसका साधन है मन की एकाग्रता, याद की एकाग्रता.
the method for that is focus of the mind, focus in remembrance.
एकाग्रता की शक्ति को स्वयं में बढ़ाओ.
Increase the power of concentration in yourself.
जब चाहो, जैसे चाहो और जब तक चाहो तब तक मन को एकाग्र कर सको.
You should be able to focus your mind whenever you want, however you want, and for however long you want.
अभी मास्टर ज्ञान सूर्य के स्वरूप को इमर्ज करो
Now bring forth your embodiment of the Master Sun of Knowledge
और शक्तियों की किरणें सकाश फैलाओ
and spread the rays of powers.
Who will be ever ready?
सदा वापस घर जाने के लिए एवर रेडी रहना।
Be ever ready to go back home.
अब रेडी कब रहेंगे?
When will you be ever ready?
अंतमते तो गते होगी ना।
It will be antamate so gate, won't it? Antamate so gate means, as is the final thought, so will be the destination.
तो सारा जीवन अगर आपने को आत्मा ज्योति बिंदु स्टार समझा होगा,
If someone considered himself to be a soul, a point of light, a star all his life,
तो जब अंत काल आएगा
then when it is the end period,
तो सहज ही निराकारी बीज रूप बिंदु रूप स्टार रूप निसंकल्प स्टेज बन जाएगी।
he will easily become incorporeal, the seed form, the point-like form, the star-like form, and have a stage free from thoughts.
और उस स्थिति में आनंद से स्थिर हो जाएंगे।
And he will joyfully be stabilized in that stage.
कोई कठिनाई नहीं होगी।
There won't be any difficulty.
Now, you shouldn't even think that you belong to so and so place, or it shouldn't be that you think that you are all right only in so and so place. Do you have to become the unlimited master or the master of one place? It shouldn't be that your stage changes if your place changes slightly. If you are sent here or there right now, are you ready for that? Whether you are sent abroad or to any place, be ever ready. Whether you are sent somewhere in the country or abroad, when you have to go, you automatically receive the power. Avyakt Vani dated 9th January 1980, page 198, middle.
अब जिन्होंने दुनिया भर का घर में अटब्बर इकट्ठा किया हुआ है, ब्रह्मा कुमारियों की तरह बड़े बड़े मेहलवानियों का अड्डा जमाया हुआ है, ट्रांसफर होने के लिए कहा जाता है तो ट्रांसफर भी नहीं होती, मना कर देती है, हम नहीं जाएंगे इतनी बड़ी बिल्डिंग छोड़ करके।
Now, those who have amassed ostentations from around the world in their home, those who have settled very big palaces and buildings like the Brahma Kumaris, when they are asked to get transferred, they don't get transferred. They refuse saying, "We won't leave such a big building and go."
हमने बड़ी मेहनत से बनाई है, सोफा सेट बनाया, गाड़ी बनाई, ये बनाया, वो बनाया।
We have made it with a lot of efforts. We had the sofa set made, the vehicle made, we made this and that.
हम कैसे एक जो छोड़ करके दूसरे सेंटर में चले जाएं?
How shall we leave it all and go to other center?
तो मोह लग गया ना।
So they became attached, didn't they?
अब वो मोह लग गया, उसकी परीक्षा नहीं होनी चाहिए।
Now, when they have become attached, shouldn't there be an examination of that?
जिनका मोह टूटा हुआ होगा, वो एक सेकंड में छोड़ छाड़ के पहली गाड़ी पकड़ लेंगे।
Those whose attachment has already ended will leave everything in a second and catch the first train.
कब होगा बाबा?
कब होगा? तैयार है?
Student, Baba, when will it happen? When will it happen? Are you ready?
माता जी तो बिल्कुल रेडी है, एवर रेडी।
Mataji is absolutely ready, ever ready.
है? पूछ रही जब हो तो अब बता दो।
She is saying, when this happens, tell me.
पहली गाड़ी सबको मिलेगी क्या बाबा?
है?
पहली गाड़ी सबको मिलेगी क्या?
Student, Baba, will everyone get the first train?
पहली गाड़ी
सबको मिलेगी क्या? एक ट्रेन चलती है ना?
जो एवर रेडी होंगी उनको मिलेगी।
First train? Student, will everyone get it? Just one train goes, doesn't it? Those who are ever ready will get it.
Why be ever ready?
पास विद ऑनर बनने के लिए क्या विधि बताई?
What is the method told to become pass with honor?
सदा एवर रेडी रहना।
To always be ever ready.
Just like in the beginning, it was announced. Everyone has to come onto the field this very moment. Likewise, the same has to repeat even now, but in various forms. Things that you might have never thought or even dreamt of, such announcements will be made. And those who pass in such an exam paper, they themselves will pass with honors. This final exam paper is being announced in advance. You should be free from bondage every moment. You should be free from even the bondage of service. As soon as it is announced, you should be ever ready and come onto the field. This is the final exam paper, which will be given to you on time in practice. Avyakt Vani dated 20th December 1969, page 156, middle.
इसलिए बाप दादा चाहते हैं कि कोटों में कोई और कोई में भी कोई मेरे बच्चे अभी से रेडी हो जाए.
This is why Bap Dada wishes my children, who are few among billions and even a few out of those few, should become ever ready from now.
मेरे बच्चे,
My children,
इब्राहिम बुद्ध क्राइस्ट के बनने वाले बच्चे नहीं.
not the children who become of Abraham, Buddha and Christ.
उनके धर्मों में कन्वर्ट हो गए तो किसके बच्चे हुए?
If you convert to their religion, whose children are you?
उनके ही हुए.
Theirs.
लेकिन मेरे बच्चे अभी से एवर रेडी हो जाए.
However, my children should become ever ready from now.
क्यों?
Why?
अभी से क्यों एवर रेडी हो जाए?
Why should you become ever ready from now?
हैं? कई सोचते हैं समय आने पर हो जाएंगे.
Some think that they will become ready when it is time.
अभी से क्यों?
Why now?
लेकिन समय आपकी क्रिएशन है.
However, time is your creation.
या जो आपकी रचना है, क्रिएशन है, उसको अपना शिक्षक बनाएंगे.
Will you make the creation your teacher?
समय आपको शिक्षा देगा.
Will the time teach you?
दूसरी बात जानते हो
Secondly, you know
कि बहुत काल का हिसाब है.
these accounts are of a long period of time.
बहुत काल की संपन्नता बहुत काल की प्राप्ति कराती है.
The quality of being complete over a long period of time makes you to make attainments over a long period of time.
तो अभी समय की समीपता प्रमाण बहुत काल का जमा होना आवश्यक है.
So now, according to the closeness of time, it is essential to accumulate over a long period of time.
फिर उलहना नहीं देना कि हमने तो समझा बहुत काल में अभी यह समय पड़ा हुआ है.
Afterwards, you can't complain saying, I thought that there was still time left for accumulating over a long period.
अभी से बहुत काल का टेंशन रखो.
Pay attention over a long period of time from now.
समझा?
Do you understand?
अटेंशन प्लीज.
Attention please.
बाप दादा यही चाहते कि बच्चे में भी किसी भी एक सब्जेक्ट की कमी न रह जाए.
Bap Dada wishes that there shouldn't be any weakness in a child in even one subject.
All-rounder and ever ready. Do you know what you should do if you want to be in this very list? You should get ready in a second. You should also be able to stop your thoughts in a second. The baggage of the military men is always ready. You should pack up this baggage of thoughts too. Your baggage should also be ever ready. Those who are ever ready, their baggage of thoughts should be ready. Your bag and baggage should be ready to face any situation. Avyakt Vani dated 9th November 1969, page 137, middle.
तो बाप दादा यही चाहते हैं
So, this is what Bap Dada wants.
और यही पूछते हैं.
He asks this.
जानते हो बाप दादा क्या चाहते हैं हमसे?
Do you know what Bap Dada wants of you?
बाप दादा यही चाहते हैं कि समय से पहले सब एवर रेडी बन जाओ.
Bap Dada wants all of you to become ever ready before time.
समय आपका कहीं मास्टर न बन जावे.
Time shouldn't become your master.
है? वो मास्टर बनेगा वो चैतन्य होगा या समय की तरह जड़ होगा?
Will the master be living or non-living like time? Students reply.
चैतन्य होगा।
Will it be living?
जड़ होगा।
Will it be non-living?
समय माने काल।
Time means kal, also means death.
काल में भी महाकाल विख्यात है।
Among kal, Mahakal is famous.
तो समय आपका मास्टर नहीं बने।
So, time shouldn't become your master.
समय के मास्टर आप हो।
You are the masters of time.
इसलिए बाप दादा चाहता है कि समय के पहले संपन्न बन विश्व की स्टेज पर बाप के साथ साथ आप बच्चे भी प्रत्यक्ष हो।
This is why Bap Dada wants you children to become complete before time and be revealed on the stage like world along with the Father.
क्योंकि बाप अकेला प्रत्यक्ष नहीं होता है।
It is because the Father isn't revealed alone.
अभी थोड़ा थोड़ा अपना एवर रेडी नजारा दिखाओ।
Now, show a slight glimpse of your being ever ready.
वो नजारा है ज्यादा में ज्यादा समय या फरिश्ता रूप या निराकारी रूप प्रैक्टिकल में प्रत्यक्ष करो।
That glimpse is to reveal either the angelic form or the incorporeal form in practice for as long as possible.
गुप्त पुरुषार्थ करते हैं
You make secret purusharth,
लेकिन अभी प्रत्यक्ष दिखाई दे।
but it should be visible in practice now.
आपके मस्तक से लाइट का प्रकाश अनुभव हो। नयनों से रूहानियत की शक्ति अनुभव हो। मुख से चेहरे से मधुरता मुस्कुराता चेहरा अनुभव हो।
People should experience the rays of light through your forehead, the power of spirituality through your eyes, sweetness and cheerfulness through your lips and face.
तारीख पूछेंगे तो हर एक सोचेगा।
If you are asked about a date, each one would think about it.
क्योंकि संगठन रूप में जो भी महावीर हैं, तीव्र पुरुषार्थी हैं, उनको संगठन रूप में जाना है।
It is because all of you Mahavirs and the intense Purusharthis have to go back collectively as a group.
आगे पीछे नहीं जाना है।
You don't have to go earlier or later than others.
पहले यहाँ एवरेडी का रूप प्रत्यक्ष होना है, जिससे प्रत्यक्षता हो बाप दादा की और कार्य की।
First, your ever ready form has to be revealed here, through which Bap Dada and his tasks will be revealed.
तो अभी तीव्र पुरुषार्थ करो।
So, make intense Purusharth now.
एक दो को सहयोग दो और आगे बढ़ो।
Give cooperation to one another and make them move ahead.
जो कमजोर हैं उनको को भी सहारा दो।
Give support to the weak ones too.
ऐसा संगठन बनाओ।
Create such a gathering.
To be ever ready is the only means of safety. If you get time, rejoice in the confluence age, but be ever ready. It is because you will never come to know about the date of the final destruction in advance. It has to happen suddenly. If you aren't ever ready, you will be caught off guard. This is why, be ever ready. Avyaktvani dated 9th January 1993, page 169, end 170, beginning.
बाप दादा अभी अभी बच्चों को ये रिकॉर्ड दिखाना चाहते हैं।
Bap Dada wants to show this record to the children now.
ये कभी कभी का शब्द समाप्त हो जाए।
This word sometime should end.
क्या ये हो सकता है?
Is this possible?
कभी कभी समाप्त हो जाए
The word sometimes should end.
तो समय पर तैयार हो जाएंगे।
So, will you become ready on time?
हो रहे हैं
You are becoming ready.
और होना ही है,
And you must become ready.
परंतु ये कहने के बजाय अभी अभी एवर रेडी बन सकते हैं।
However, instead of saying this, can you become ever ready instantly?
क्यों?
Why?
एवर रेडी रहने का अभ्यास माया जीत, मन जीत, जगत जीत ये संस्कार भी बहुत समय से बनाएंगे। तब अंत समय भी ये बहुत काल का अभ्यास विजयी बना करके आपको विशेष माला का मणका बनाएगा।
If you practice becoming ever ready, practice becoming Maya Jeet and have the sanskars of gaining victory over the mind is gaining victory over the world for a long time, this practice of a very long time will make you victorious and make you a special bead of the rosary.
पास विद ऑनर बनेंगे।
Will you pass with honor?
पास नहीं, पास विद ऑनर।
Not just pass, but pass with honor.
The children who have been made instruments in the Father's task, they should always remember this point. We have to be ever ready and an all-rounder all the time, at any cost. If everyone assimilates these two virtues, they can show an elevated proof of service. Avyakt Vani dated 18th May 1969, page 61, beginning.
बाप दादा की हर एक आशाओं के दीपक, आशाएं संपन्न करने वाले महावीर बच्चों की यही बाप की आशा है कि समय अनुसार अगर अब से बहुत काल का पाठ तीव्र पुरुषार्थ का जमा नहीं किया, चार्ट अच्छा न बना पाया, तो क्या होगा?
Each lamp of Bap Dada's hopes, the Mahavir children who fulfill all the hopes of Bap Dada, this is what Bap Dada hopes for you. According to the time, if you don't play the part of making a stock of a long-term intense Purusharth from now, if you aren't able to make your chart good, what will happen?
3 शब्द बाप दादा समय प्रति समय याद दिलाता है।
Bap Dada reminds you 3 words every now and again.
एक तो अचानक होगा,
One is that everything will happen suddenly.
उसके लिए एवर रेडी रहना पड़े,
You need to be ever ready for that.
और तीसरा बहुत समय का खाता जमा हो।
And the third thing is that you should have a long-term stock.
क्योंकि बाप दादा कहते हैं, चाहते भी हैं कि अपने राज्य में,
Because Bap Dada says and he also wishes that in your kingdom,
अभी तो खुशी है ना
you are happy now, aren't you? Thinking,
कि हमारा अपना राज्य आया कि आया,
our kingdom has almost arrived.
जैसे अभी संदेश देते हो बाप आया है,
Just like now, you give the message that the Father has come.
ऐसे ये भी खुशखबरी सुनाते हो कि अपना दैवी राज्य सुख शांति में राज्य आया कि आया।
Similarly, do you narrate this good news too, that our divine kingdom, complete with happiness and peace, has almost arrived?
जब सबको ये संदेश देते हो तो अपना पुरुषार्थ भी तीव्र बहुत समय का जमा करने वाला होना चाहिए ना।
When you give this message to everyone, you should also be the one who has accumulated a stock of long-term intense Purusharth, shouldn't you?
अपने राज्य में अंत तक फर्स्ट जन्म से 21 जन्म तक फुल राज्य भाग के अधिकारी बने।
You have attained the right to a complete share of kingship in your kingdom from the first birth till the end for 21 births.
ये हिसाब बहुत काल से स्मृति में रखो, क्योंकि मजा नए घर में है।
Keep this calculation in your mind for a long time because there is enjoyment in the new house.
अगर 2-3 जन्म के बाद आए, 2-3 मास मकान के हो जाएं, तो क्या कहेंगे?
If you come after 2-3 births, if the house becomes 2-3 months old, what will be said?
2-3 मास से पुराना मकान है।
The house is 2 or 3 months old.
तो बाप दादा चाहते हैं एक एक बाप दादा का लाडला बच्चा वाह वाह बच्चा बने।
So, Bap Dada wants that each and every dear child of Bap Dada should become a great child.
बाप के दिल तक नसीन बच्चा।
The child who sits on the heart throne of the father.
The cost of not being ever ready.
रूहानी मिलिट्री के जो बंदे हैं वो कैसे होने चाहिए?
How should the soldiers of this spiritual military be?
एवर रेडी होना चाहिए। किस बात में?
Student, ever ready. They should be ever ready. In what subject?
आज्ञाकारी, वफादार, फरमानबरदार, ईमानदार।
Obedience, loyalty, compliance and honesty.
इन 4 बातों में रूहानी मिलिट्री जो है उसका एक एक बंदा, एक एक सैनिक पक्का होना चाहिए।
Every member, every soldier of the spiritual military should be firm in these 4 subjects.
अगर अवज्ञा की, नाफरमानी की, बेईमानी की, बेवफाई की, तो मिलिट्री में क्या करते हैं? शूट कर देते हैं।
If they disobey, if they become incompliant, if they become dishonest or show disloyalty, what do they do in the military? They shoot them.
जान से मार दो।
They give the order, kill them.
फौरन अनिश्चय बुद्धि बना दो।
Make them the ones with a doubting intellect immediately.
ऐसी ज्ञान की गोली मारो जो टिक न सके।
Shoot them with such bullets of knowledge that they aren't able to stand it.
चांद सितारों से भी परे अपने घर पहुंच गए।
You have reached your home, which is even beyond the moon and stars.
ऐसे बुद्धि का विमान सदा एवर रेडी है।
Similarly, is the aeroplane of your intellect ever ready?
अगर संगम युग में ये बुद्धि का विमान एवर रेडी है, तो ऐसी आत्माएं सतयुग में पहुंचकर अगले जन्म में ऐसे ऐसे पक्षियों को प्राप्त कर लेंगी कि जिन पक्षियों को थोड़ा सा इशारा दिया और वो उड़ेंगे।
If this aeroplane of your intellect is ever ready in the confluence age, such souls will go to the golden age in their next birth and get such birds which will fly at your slightest signal.
बड़े बड़े पक्षी होंगे, बड़े बड़े पंखों वाले।
There will be very large birds with very large wings.
फैमिली के साथ भी बैठ सकते हैं और इंडिविजुअल भी बैठ सकते हैं।
You can sit with your family as well as individually.
उन विमानों में दुर्घटना की कोई गुंजाइश नहीं।
There isn't any chance of accidents by those aeroplanes.
चैतन्य विमान सब विघ्नों से प्रूफ, जो किसी भी प्रकार का एक्सीडेंट नहीं हो सकता, वो कब होगा?
When will the living aeroplanes be free from all the obstacles so that there isn't any kind of accident?
जब यहाँ ऐसी बुद्धि कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड हो जाए।
When your intellect is concentrated this way here.
कैसी?
How?
ऐसी बुद्धि नहीं कि जाना चाहे परम धाम में और धरती को ही नहीं छोड़ सके।
It isn't that you should have such an intellect that despite wishing to reach the supreme abode, you can't leave the land at all.
या और कोई पहाड़ी से टकरा करके गिर जाए।
Or that it crashes against other mountains and falls.
संकल्पों की ऊंची ऊंची पहाड़ियां आकर के खड़ी हो जाती हैं।
The high mountains of thoughts stand.
बजाय ऊपर चढ़ने के क्या होता है?
Instead of rising high, what happens?
और ही नीचे गिर जाते हैं।
You fall all the more.
तो ये व्यर्थ संकल्प भी एक प्रकार की पहाड़ी से टकराना है.
So, having these thoughts is also like crashing against a mountain.
तो एक्सीडेंट से परे एवर रेडी बुद्धि का विमान है.
So, is the aeroplane of your intellect free from accidents and ever ready?
पहले इस विमान पर चढ़ेंगे,
Firstly, you will board this aeroplane.
तब वहाँ वह विमान मिलेगा
Then you will get that aeroplane there.
जो नेचुरल विमान होगा.
It will be a natural aeroplane.
बाप दादा सारे दिन में गें गें गे के गीत बहुत सुनते हैं.
Throughout the day, Bap Dada hears many songs of will a lot.
करेंगे, दिखाएंगे, बनेंगे.
I will do it, I will prove myself, I will become that.
लेकिन कहने वालों की स्पीड क्या होती है?
But what is the speed of those who say that?
गें गें करने वाले बाप के साथ चलेंगे.
Will those who say will go back with the Father?
क्योंकि बाप तो एवर रेडी है.
It is because the Father is certainly ever ready.
और गें गें करने वाले एवर रेडी नहीं हुए तो बाप के साथ कैसे चलेंगे?
And if those who say will aren't ever ready, how will they go back with the Father?
देखते ही रह जाएंगे.
All they will be able to do is watch.
देखेंगे कि ये बाप के साथ जा रहे हैं.
They will watch that these ones are going with the Father.
ऐसे तो बाप को एक एक बच्चे से पदम गुना प्यार है.
As such, the Father loves each and every child multi-million times.
बाप नहीं चाहते कि ये बच्चे मेरे साथ नहीं चले.
The Father doesn't want any child to not go back with him.
जब घर लौटने का समय आ गया है तो क्या घर नहीं चलेंगे?
When it is time to return home, won't you return home?
क्योंकि घर जा करके फिर राज्य में भी आना है.
It is because you also have to come back to the kingdom after going home.
घर नहीं चलेंगे साथ में तो ब्रह्मा बाप के साथ राज्य में भी नहीं आएंगे.
If you don't return home along with me, you won't go to the kingdom with Father Brahma either.
पीछे आना पड़ेगा.
You will have to go later on.
तो आपका वायदा क्या है?
Well, what is your promise?
साथ चलेंगे या बाद में आ जाएंगे?
Will you return along with me or will you come afterwards?
इसमें भी गेंगे लगाएंगे.
Will you add will in this too?
पहुँच जाएंगे. देखना बाबा हम जरूर पहुँच जाएंगे.
I will certainly reach there. Just see Baba, I will certainly be there.
तो ये भाषा अभी समाप्त करो.
So now, put an end to this language.
Be ever ready, considering every moment to be the last moment. Being ever ready is being an intense Purusharthi. Don't think, it will certainly take some time for the destruction, I will become ready by then. Don't look out for the last moment, as your last moment is uncertain. So, be ever ready. Avyakt Vani dated 2nd December 1993, page 42, middle.